Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute welcoming patience meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to think of the most recent time you were impatient. Whether driving in your car, communicating with a loved one, while out shopping, or frustrated at work, take yourself back to that moment and reflect on what happened. Take a deep inhale in to prepare, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Find your natural rhythm of breath. Now think about what you could have done differently in that moment. What would you do to be more mindful in the moment? Control your emotions and present a more positive outcome for your mind, body, and soul. Continue breathing naturally. Inhale for 1 breath. Hold at the top for 1 second. Then exhale 1 second. Inhale for 2 seconds. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Then exhale for 2 seconds. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then exhale for 3 seconds through your mouth. As you see yourself following through with the alternative outcome, you show yourself grace for not completing this action the first time. You also embrace yourself with self-love and reassurance that you have the power to control your emotions in all situations moving forward. Let's take an inhale for 4 seconds through your nostrils. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. With your mouth restricted, inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils. Hold at the top for 5 seconds. Then exhale for 5 seconds out of your mouth with a deep sigh. Inhale for 6 seconds through your nostrils. Hold at the top for 6 seconds. Then exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Inhale for 7 seconds. Hold at the top for 7 seconds. Then exhale for 7 seconds. Finally, you feel better about the time when you were last impatient and recognize how essential mindfulness is when indulging with other individuals and their energies. You smile and feel great about remaining patient in your next instance. Moving forward, let's inhale for 8 seconds through your nostrils. Hold at the top for 8 seconds. Then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Inhale for 9 seconds. Hold at the top for 9 seconds. And then we're going to exhale it all out for 9 seconds. One last time with your mouth restricted. Inhale for 10 seconds. Hold at the top for 10 seconds. Then exhale for 10 seconds out of your mouth with one last deep sigh. Allow your breath to find its rhythm naturally and for your heart rate to normalize from the accumulation of welcoming patience into your life. Soothe your soul with the natural breaths and stillness you are witnessing in this moment. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am welcoming patience into my daily mindfulness practices. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this welcoming patience meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.